First five tayo! First five! Owendel versus Marty Culturas!
Tinatali ko na. Isa na lang, hinihintay kayo o isa doon, sa dalawa. Baka kayo mananalo ng malaking lamang.
Layo, ay, Bon Gutierrez! 2 points! Nako, magandang pangitain to. 2-0. Wayne, pass to. Ganda ng pasa. Wala. Malakas. Ay, thank you pre. Same ball tayo. Tumama ba? Tumama sa ring? Tumama sa ring, no? Jamal, pass to Kibi. Wala. Rebound by Gutierrez. Nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Gab. Ganda ng pasa. Woo! Parang inspired na inspired to mga to ah. Asidela, wala. Rebound by Gutierrez. Gab. Pass to Gutierrez, pass to Oyo. Back to huli ni Kevin. Kevin, pass to Wayne. Wayne, pasok yan. Lakas nito. Kompleto ang kalaban. Gandang match up. Gutierrez. Eto din, malakas talaga yan si Gutierrez. Pasok na po sa semifinals ang ating hype sign. Kibi for 3. Shoot, wala. Tagilid. White ball tayo. Bon, pass to Gutierrez. 7 seconds. Gab. Ocean. Pasok yan kay Ocean. Score 8-2. Wayne. Same. White ball tayo. One for 3, wala. Rebound by Carl. Pass to Zane, back to Kibi. Wala pa, sayang. Ocean. Masyadong malalim, kaya Ocean deep. Jomar. Jomar, pass to Kibi. Okay, Popoy, 2 points. Pipoy. Score 8-4. Malakas. Rebound by Jomar. Pass to Zane. Zane. Sure ball kay Zane. Easy 2 points. Andito. Ba, nagbihis na? Bon! 3 points! Traveling violation. Extra step. Huling-huli ng referee. Gutierrez. Layo for 3. Wala. Same ball tayo. 14 seconds shot clock. Gutierrez. Pass to Gab. Umatake sa gitna. Bon for 3. Wala din. May kasamang foul. Gab. Double foul. White ball, black ball. Kaninong bola? Kaninong bola? Kaninong una? Kanino? Wait lang. Wait. Black ball sadya, black ball. Black ball. Black ball tayo, black ball. Grabe naman yun. Lakas ni Gab. 2 points by Gab. Wala. Asidera, mahina. Tong ano, binit-bit. Lakas. Call for 3! Pasok! Ready for timeout tayo. Hindi, tawag daw waitress eh. Pag sabi naman ng referee, dos naman eh. Kibi, atake. Kibi, sorry, good. Oh, sulong. Oyo, wala. In and out. Kibi, wala pa rin. May foul na. Time out! Black! Score 59 in favor of O&L Renovation. 3 minutes and 40 seconds into the first quarter. Back to the ball game! P-boy for 3! Wala! Pasok. Lakas ni Gab. Call. May kasama pang foul. Number 36, Layog, foul. Bonus free throw tayo for Jomar. Para isa pala. Wala. JR, pass to Anthony. Ang lakas. Op. Black ball tayo. Black ball. Asidera. Pasok yan. Sino tumira? Sino tumira? Sino? Si Christian. 36, Christian. Nice assist! Sayang, wala. Anthony, wala din. Rebound by Pipoy. Timeout! White! 17-14 in favor of ONL Renovation. That's then the first quarter.
Our games, our current games, Team Mark de Culturas versus ONL Renovations, PBA Originals. This is our Winter League competition from 2026. Let's go! White ball. Okay, double low. Kaleka, pass to number 19. Ang pagbabalik ni Enriquez, Brian. Number 10, umatake. Uy, pasa pala ng 31. Idol ko yan. Enriquez for 3! Wala pa rin kubas. Bumubuka ang ring basta sa ang tumitira. Uy, idol ko to, number 8. Balikan ng pasa from Carl to Fair. Ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. We acknowledge the comeback of Mr. J.R. number 27 from Mar de Culturas. Enriquez again for 3. Wala. Op. Out of the cage. Sabi na referee. Alright, number 8 now looking for an opening. Jason Monca, number 49, pasa kay Carl. Carl looking for an opening, looking for room. Tumira ng 3, wala. Ang ganda ng box out. One nice box out from Ocean. Number 27. Dami ng 27 ngayon. Dalawang 27. Alright, double O. Kalika, looking for room. Pinasa to the corner man. Tumira. Using the board. What a good spot from number 31. Parang si ano lang. Parang si Peter Tasarte. Oop, and there's a foul from number 19. 31 foul. 49 to number 36, Melano. Carl, what a nice pass from underneath. Gumawa ng pictos si JR, wala, hindi umabot. Number 10 now, looking for an opening. Gumagawa ng sinya, sabi niya, stop muna. Walang green. 31. Whoop! Ang ganda sana ng pasa. Hindi na-anticipate. It's alright. Alright. Ingat-ingat po tayo, ingat-ingat po tayo. Number 8, looking for room, looking for companion. Umatake, pasa sa gilid. Melano, using his third drop shoot, pero hindi. 3 in 1. Ang ganda ng floater, Nagkakapi sa ere, parang si Bartolome. Double again, pasa kita kay Enriquez. Enriquez to the corner man, easily up from number 10. Ang ganda ng poste. Carl nagbabalak, guarded by number 27. Melano using his dribbling skill. Oh no. Number 27. Oy. Number 10. Number 10 using his Wala. Carl. Milano for 3. Di umabot. Ang ganda ng pasa. Pasa sa kalaban. Carl again. GR. Wala, and there's a foul. What a good spot foul from number 27. Substitution rip. Substitution. Hindi pwede. Second shot. All right, substitution rep. Substitution. Double Caliga. Steering the ball, guarded by Melano. Pasa kay Enriquez, number 19. Looking for an opening, looking for room. Tumira ng tres, no hesitation shoot, wala. Number 31. Kay Gab, back to Gab. Umatake si Gab. Pasa kay number 10. Umikot. O yun o. Nagahaplutan, tumira na naman, and there's a foul. Any substitution? Oh, kape. Yan, kape. All right. Oh, visitors, guests, we have a coffee break, free coffee in the corner. Please do not hesitate to serve yourself. Any cakes and pastries, please contact Michael Garcia. Oy! Nakuha. Nice steal. Back-to-back pass. And there's a foul. Ay, din pa talaga dito sa mag-table. Timing ako dito ha. There's a foul. Gutierrez. Umatake. Oh, and there's a foul. 55, 35 foul. 45. All right, basket good. First free throw from number 10. Another free throw. All right, number 55, Peras. Maraming Peras. Mongkal. Ang ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. Bang! That's GR's post. GR post, number 27. His shooting range. Oyo, hindi makatulog. Pumasa, and there's a foul. 2 shots. Substitution rep. 97 foul. 27. 27. All right, basket good. Ring. Dalawa. Completed. All right, 55 now. Looking for room. Pasa kay GR umikot. Na-stumble. 2 points from DR, number 27. Vaughn, number 36, converted into point guard, looking for a companion. Pasa kay Gav. Gav back to Vaughn. Back-to-back pass to Miranda Tres. Bang! That shoot is brought to you by Mocha, Sweet and Savory, and all sponsors. JR, umikot. Pasa. Pasa sa labas. Jason for 3! Muntik na. Dubulo ngayon. Dubulo. Kalika. Labon for 3 again. Ay! Rebound. The muscle man, number 28. Ayan. Ang bumangga. Giba. Bang! 2 points from the muscle man, number 28. Oyo, converted into point guard. Umatake. Double O for 2 points. Simpleng pitik lang. Guard, converted into point guard. Looking for an opening. Pasa kay Peras. Peras, sumasayaw. Hoy! Madulas ang bola, madulas ang bola. Mungkal. Pasa kay the muscle pain. Hoy, Mungkal again. Hindi umangat. The muscle pain again, and there's a foul. Substitution rip. Substitution.
How are you, Mike?
Basket's good from Galaman.
Bloody post.
Galaman? Galman.
Tired. Same. Eat too much. Rising slow.
What a nice box out from Oyo, number 2. Wymo. All right, number 2, Oyo. Sumisimple sa oras. Bon. Back to Oyo. Back to Bon. Uy! Uy! Muntik na, muntik na. Kalika umatake. Using the third drop. What a move from Dubulo. JR. Timeout. Di Culturas. Timeout. Wala. Timeout na. We're giving late. Timeout. A score from the first half.
23.
38
23.
versus 23. Our leading team is
People off.
in Pigoro. The leading score. The leading team. ONL Renovations. From the flat house, if you want to renovate into the 2 stories, don't hesitate to approach Perry Originals to give you the link of the ONL Renovations. Just contact GR Bartolome. And the rest of the table in court number 4. All right, we'd like to thanks to Lolo Anthony for having us in a live streaming tonight. And please subscribe and notify to your phone. And back to the ball game. Shout out sa nagbibigay ng suman. Masarap. Balat pa lang ang sarap. Layo. Pasa kay Oyo. What a move. Wala, sayang. Rebound, Carl. And there's a foul. Number 9, foul. First team foul. ONL Renovations. Ano tol? Sasab ka? Ganda ng pasa. Ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. Gab. Gab to number 31. 31. White ball. Bon layog to Nakano. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Again, natapik pa. Sayang. Oy, parang volleyball lang ah. 2 points from the muscle pain, number 28. What a pass inside the corner. You know, buntik na. Sa kanya pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin. Wala talaga oh. Iba talaga ang lakas ng taong to. Saan kaya galing ang lakas to? Carl. And there's a foul. Ang ano kaya kinakain tong number 27 tong si Ocean? Parang shock absorber yata ang kinakain ito eh. James Paroy, ang ganda ng pasa. Bounce mo konti, bounce mo konti. That's a nice look pass. Bond guarded by number 15. Gab. Back to Oyo. Number 31. Bond, the right spot. Oy, muntik na. You know. Time out! Ball position, time out. Mark, nanabogan. Mark, nanabogan. Enriquez in the nice spot. Wala. The muscle pain in the third gear. Ay, nasupalpal pa. Same ball. Asidera, number 14, looking for an opening. JR. Sobra yung pitik. Rebound number 28. Wala, rebound na kuha ni number 27, aka Ocean. Gutierrez, no hesitation. Rebound na Asidera. Asidera looking for room, looking for companion. Oy, na-anticipate na number 36. Gutierrez, wala. Rebound number 19. Follow up number 19. Oh, Cantillano number 15. The point guard of Mark Nicol Torres. Number 14, Mark. 15 for 3. That shoot is brought to you by Elegance Eyewear. Iba talaga ang malinaw ang mata. Parang nag-eye mo lang. "31 looking for room. Looking for companion. 31. Tinambangan. Ball for 2. Ifdin umatake and there's a foul. Substitution ref. May foul na sa baba. Cantillano, gumawa ng pick. Ayun o, ganda ng pasaw. And there's a foul. Double O. Three-team Spurs, three-team foul. O1L renovation, subs. Mamaya. Up, there's a foul. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Warning for penalty. O1L renovations. Milano to Cantillano. Pasa sa gitna. Ganda ng pasa. Ay, sayang. Tulak mo. Walang bayad. Itulak mo. Just push. No pay. Number 31. Oh, the ball was isolated. Diaz to Cantillano. Number 31 to Bon. Pasa kay Enriquez. Enriquez to Bon. Back to back. Tumira ng 3. Sumuntik na. Rodriguez on air. 2 points from Rodriguez. Jersey. Si Rodriguez yun. Rodriguez by day, Gutierrez by night. What a big challenge from number 9. But she got the points. All right, number 31 to 19. Tubon, number 36. Guarded by Milano. Ganda ng pasa. All right, 2 in 1. 2 in 1. Offensive. Offensive. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Gutierrez using his jump shot skills. Wala. Asedera. China-challenge. Ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. What a good pass. From 14 to number 27. Ayun. Cantillano. Ang ganda ng bangga. Gilbert. Halika. Uy. Wala na. Ahablutan ng bola. Gutierrez. Gutierrez again, and there's a foul. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Host foul, rep. 39. Almost less a minute in the third quarter remaining. Halika. Line foot. Line foot violation. Cantillano. So number 16 to Milano. Number 36. What a nice pass underneath. Ganda ng pasa. Uy, sayang. Change ball position. Less than 5 seconds. End of the third quarter and the second half. All right, we are reaching now in the fourth quarter. Guests, friends, and visitors, welcome to PBA Originals. Enjoy yourself. Our score in the third quarter, 34 versus 36 in favor of ONL Renovations. Ball position. White ball. All right, back to the ball game. We are now in the last quarter. Gob guarded by Milano. Challenge him, challenging number 9. Bots Tomera. Rebound Cantillano, number 15. Pass kay Asidera. Asidera now looking for room. 2 points. Asidera to number 16 take a shoot and he got the points. Subuts, number 88, looking for an opening. Ganda ng pasa. And there's offensive foul. Oh yeah. Alright, papalapit na. Magpapalapit na ang barko sa daungan. Asidera, one up. 2 points again from number 16. Alright, Subuts. Pasa kay number 9. Number 9 umatake. Pasa bounce. What a good bounce pass. Binigay sa kalaban. Cantillano. Oh, what a move! Alright, double O. Kalika guarded by number 15. Ganda ng depensa. Pero sa kanila pa rin ang bola. Gutierrez Soner. Same ball. Substitution, rep. Substitution. 2 points na lang ang lamang. And our early time. Gutierrez for 3. Rodriguez by day, Gutierrez by night. Alright, Cantillano, aka number 15, wearing number 15. Looking for an opening, looking for room. Pasa kay sa corner man, Casidera. To number 16, the same spot. Bang! O, Iba talaga ang wingman. Ganda na naman. And there's a foul. Number 15 foul. That's the first team foul. Mark Deco Tora. Jokos guarded by. And there's a foul. What a nice defense from number 15. Ang ganda ng laban mga kapatid. Tutok na tayo sa PBA Originals. Don't forget to subscribe in our Facebook page, PBA Hoops. Ganda ng anticipation. Melano number 36. Pasa kay number 15. 15 on open opening. Muntik na makuha ang bola. Nasa kamay ni Carl. What a nice spot again. Oh. Uy, binitbit sa ere, oh. Rebound, Gutierrez. And there's a foul. Akala ko nag-video. Akala ko nag-video lang eh. Okay. Nantay ko yun. Hintay pa yata mag-dugo. May substitution tayo. Uy, ang lakas pala lumipat tong number 9 para naka-Thunderbird lang. Subuts. Nagdadala ng bola, looking for room, looking for an opening, looking for companion. Uy, ganda. Uy, the same. Binali pa, nadali. Cantillano, the fast and furious. Number 16 again. Number 16 again. He's showing in the aids again. 2 points from number 36. Oy, sayang. Gutierrez. Black ball. Substitution rep. Substitution. Alright. Bawal ng sobra. Alright, number 14 now. Looking for a plan. Looking for a play. Cantillano for 3. Bang! Lumalala ang laban. Hindi makakatulong mamaya. Ayan na. Nagpapalitan na. Bibili na tayo ng payong. Nag-uulan na ng 3. And there's a foul. Warning for penalty. ONL renovation. Warning for penalty. Okay, Asidera now looking for room, looking for companion. Umatake up and there's a foul. Penalty. All right, basket good. Isa lang ang lamang, isa lang. Oy! What a bad pass! That's a good pass. All right, noted. All right, are we good? Substitution rep, substitution. Dalawa. Oh, inisab. Both team has 2 timeout. Both team. All right, number 14, Asidera. And there's a foul. Penalty situation. Penalty. Basket good. That foul sending ang number 14 Asidera in the line. The muscle pain on the work. Wala talagang ayun na, naghahabulan na. Ayan, ganda ng pasa. Uy, pinali! What a move from number 27! Nagsusulat sa ere. Woo! And there's a foul. Binali! Natutulog sa room for number 37? Oh. Alright, inbound. Ocean, hindi makatulog. And there's a foul. Bawal magkamali dito. Layog again. Bang! Alright, okay. Asidera guarded by the two whites. Nakalusot pa rin. Ayun o. GR, malakas talaga si GR. Asidera guarded by number 31. Tumama sa pa, Time out! Mardi Culturas! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for the million viewers of PB Originals. Live po tayo from our cast. Anthony Lolo, our big YouTube subscriber. Please notify and subscribe and like, comment. Pag may panalo, may talo. All right, back to the ball game. Sino kaya ang magwawagi? Sino kaya ang tatanggap ng gantimpala? Ocean converted into point guard. May pasa, muntik nang nabitawan. Tumira ng Tracy Ball, muntik na. One a nice pick from number 14. The muscle pain. Oh, hindi nagmamadali ang number 9. Inaantay. Alright, less than 10 seconds to shoot. Asidera gumagawa. Humahanap na ng challenge. Cantillano po, what a move! Iba talaga. Okay, injury timeout. White ball tayo. Wala matawag na referee. May magta-timeout ba? Any timeout?
Congratulations, Henry Harvest, semifinals!
One minute left in the fourth quarter. Number 31. Ano kaya ang balak? Tumira. Wala, sayang. Ocean. Ang layo ng pintos. Bon, the trigger man. Kalika umatake. Walang. And there's a foul. 2 shots. 28 foul. tulak mo, tol. Tulak mo. Walang bayad, tol. Walang bayad. Tulak mo. Dalawa. 1 point. Time out. Can you time out? Layo guarded by number 27. Ang ganda ng depensa. Ganda ng mga nagpapakita ang IQ. Uy, tumira. Ay, sayang. Layog. Cassius for 3 points. 3 points. Less than 30 seconds left. Oh. Oh, an elevation leading 1 point. Ganda ng laban. Ganda ng laban. All right. Tutok na. Hop, and there's a foul. Penalty situation. Shooter pa naman to. Wala tol, kapag ma-shoot tol, time out sila. Pag ma-shoot, di pwede. Bawal mag-time out. Kung ma-shoot tol, time out. Puro. Oh, pag ma-shoot nga, pag ma-shoot. Wala, cancel na. Ano ba, cancel na flight o... Tabla, wow! Timeout! ONL Renovations! Score! We are tied. 59 all. All right. Maganda ang laban, challenging. Meron hindi makakatulog mamaya. Maglalasing. All right. Back to the ball game. Mardi Culturas versus ONL Renovation. Sino kaya mananalo? We are in all score. All right, number 31 looking for his companion. Looking for room. Gutierrez to Von. Von back-to-back pass. And all right, end of the ball game. But we are extending because all score. No more timeouts. 10 minutes.
1 minute, stop the clock. Okay. 1 minute tayo, pre. Stop the clock. Okay.
All right, let's go. Both team has 1 timeout left. All right, let's go. All right, wala nang bayad to ha. Extended na to, extension. Gutierrez. Ay, sumubra pa. Cantillano. And fouled by number 31. All right, warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. All right, inbound situation. Cantillano now holding the ball, staring the ball. Pasa kay Asidera. Asidera. Umatake. Ay! Muntik na, muntik na. Pasa kay Cantillano. Cantillano for 3! Muntik na. Oy, may block. Gutierrez, ang ganda! Oy, sumubra pa! Hindi na. Ayan na. Oh, ganda ng pasa. 2 points from JR. What a smart boy. Bon now holding the ball, looking for companion, looking for room. Okay, underpass, the same. Tabla po tayo. Ganda ng screening. Ganda ng screening ng White. Asidera. Pasa kay number 16. JR again! Bantayan nyo yan! Bantayan nyo! Alright, number 31 to the corner man, Gutierrez, guarded by number 9, Inararo. Up. Bon again. Rebound. Bon. Alright, sa kanila. Malas talaga. Malas. Cantillano lang. Gumagawa ng plano. Tomera, wala, sablay. Gab, ang lakas ni Gab. Rebound number 9. Diaz. And there's a foul. Penalty situation. 2 shots. Rewarded 2 shots. Ganda ng laban. JR ang dahilan. Oh, bumanda pa oh. Ano? All right. Gutierrez now guarded by Cantillano. Gutierrez. JR again. JR again, guarded by number 31. And there's a foul. Ay, line ball pala. Line ball. May pag-asa pa. Oras. Oh, Cantillano on the landing spot. Uy, sumablay pa, binigyan pa. All right. The reigning of this evening. Mar de Coltoras. Ang ganda ng laban. And the best player of the evening of this winning team.